Hello guys, welcome to 5th generation hobby shop and welcome to another video testing, unboxing. So this is the ENC Glock 19 Gen 5 and gas blowback airsoft pistol. May kasama na siyang 0.23 grams 4,000 shots na BBs. This is plastic BBs, airsoft BBs, and also may kasama na siyang number 14 power up na green gas. Okay. So, by the way, shout out kay Sir Wendell ng Marikina. Okay. So, this is the box. May kasama na rin siyang manual. And also, 2 box strap. At saka yung pin. Ayan. Ayan. Glock 19 Gen 5 by ENC. Ito naman yun sa kabilang side. Ayan. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng flashlight. Meron siyang lagayan ng flashlight. Tapos, pwede rin siyang lagyan ng ano ba to? Pwede siyang lagyan ng tracer units, suppressor. Yan, pwede rin siya. Yan. Yung sight niya, naka U sight. Yan. Tapos, yung magazine niya ay 19 rounder. 21 rounder. 21 rounder capacity. Compatible din po siya sa magazine ng WE. Ayan. Okay, again, this is the Glock 19 Gen 5 ng ENC. So, ENC brand. S-Crane. Okay. Testingin lang natin kung ilang EPS po siya. Chronograph testing. Okay, lagyan ko lang sir ng bala. And then, kailangan po, pag naglalagay po kayo ng gas sa magazine, kailangan inverted position, upside down. Kailangan patiwarik po yung magazine. Tapos, tutok nyo lang siya dyan, tapos press nyo siya. Sa number 14, 2 hanggang 3 segundo lang. Yan. Tapos, pag malamig po yung magazine, pahingan nyo po. Kasi pag mapifeel nyo naman, pag sobrang lamig, lalo na kung continuous yung gamit, humihina po ang blowback. Okay, so testing. Glock 19 Gen 5. This is the compact pistol. Yan. Maliit lang siya, oh. Compact. Okay, testing. Yan natin kung ilang EPS. Okay, firing. 296.5. 298.1. 290.6. 293.8. Malakas din yung ano niya, ano? Malakas din yung palag. Open slide. So, open slide. Just release the magazine. Release mo na yung magazine. Hatak mo lang yung slide. Hammer down. Load pa tayo. Test pa tayo. Okay. Testing pa tayo. Okay. Ilagay mo na yung plate. More testing. Glock 19 Gen 5 by ENC. So, this is an airsoft, not an airgun. Okay. Testing. Firing. Sapol, diba? Ganda. Okay, release mag. Hammer down. Release mo na yung slide. Tapos hammer down. Okay, ENC Glock 19 Gen 5. Okay na po. Thank you and have a nice day.